Hello, my name is Ryan and welcome to ET2's Installation Spotlight. Today we are going to highlight key installation notes for the Flute collection. Let's get started. The electrical load is a sophisticated system. It's important you don't cut any pendant wires as there's ample room to store any excess wire inside the canopy. Now for some of these heavier fixtures, you're going to want to use an anchor when installing the mounting bracket. I would suggest first mounting the mounting bracket to the junction box and then marking holes where you're going to put your anchors. To adjust the height of the pendant, use the pushpin cord lock to adjust to desired height. Closely follow the pendant diagram in the instruction sheet. To help you, the cylinder finials are preset on the connecting cord and correspond to the color and length of the cylinder it uses. To reduce damaging the pendant during installation, we suggest working from one side of the canopy to the other. It's important you attach the correct PCB and cylinder to the correct connecting cord. There are 3 different PCB and cylinder sizes: 1 inch, 1.75 inch, and 2.5 inch. In order for the whole fixture to light, all the PCBs need to be connected. Each size uses a different wattage, so if the pendants are not on the correct cord, the fixture may malfunction or not light at all. Each connecting cord is labeled with the diameter and length of the cylinder it's meant to connect with. In this case, D1 for 1 inch diameter and L24 for 24 inch length. And you can tell it is the polished brass tube because of the polished brass finial.